Hello everyone! Today we're going to make donuts. These are very simple to make. You do not need any eggs, yeast, or oven in this recipe. If you have a sweet tooth, you will absolutely love this, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To watch the videos in Hindi, please click on the link in the description box below. This recipe makes 24 donuts. In a bowl, add 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of yogurt, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything and form a soft dough. Do not add water. You can adjust the yogurt quantity as needed to form the dough. You can coat the dough at the end with few drops of oil. We're going to cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. To make the toppings, we're going to grind the sugar into a fine powder. It's been 20 minutes. We're going to take some dough, dust it with flour, and we're going to roll this until it's about 5 to 6 millimeter thick. Keep it thick like this. Now take a glass or blender jar, whatever you have, to make a circle. To make the inner circle, I'm using the cake decorating tip. If you don't have this, just take a straw. Drill a hole in the center, then use your fingers to widen the circle. You can fry as you go, or you can do like me, roll everything first and then fry at once. We will reuse this leftover dough. Fry them on a medium heat until both sides are golden. To make the glazed donuts, take half cup of powdered sugar. To it, add half tablespoon of melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, then adjust as needed. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together nicely. To get a smooth consistency, I'm adding an additional half tablespoon of milk. In total, I used 1.5 tablespoon of milk. If you don't have a rack, not to worry, dip and keep it in a plate. To make the chocolate donuts, in the same glaze, we will add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. If you like to use milk chocolate, you can do that as well. Just mix the chocolate in few tablespoons of cream. To make the cream cheese donut, I have taken 1/4 cup of cream cheese. To it, add half cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything together nicely. You can also use strawberry cream cheese instead of plain cream cheese. These donuts are my personal favorite. It's a must-try recipe. To make the lemon donuts, take half cup of powdered sugar, add half tablespoon of butter, milk as needed. I used 1.5 tablespoon of milk, half teaspoon of lemon extract, adding 3 drops of yellow food color, and 1 drop of green food color. Mix everything together. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.